another slime for you. I'm doing the mermaid slime since I've been doing pretty good with the slimes. Would you say that? Yeah. And guess what? I got a special guest with us. I put a little bow in her hair because it looks like a JoJo Bobo to her. And since I have her with me, I thought it would be great to do the mermaid slime because she's a pretty special baby. As you know, she's a neonate, and you guys been requesting her. So yeah, so I finally got her in a video. And don't worry, Destroyer fan, I did it for you. Okay, so since we're doing the mermaid slime, it's going to require 4 different slimes. I already got the measurements for the first slime, which I'm doing the pearlescent purple slime. And here's what you'll need. You'll need the 15 milliliters of glue, 25 milliliters of water, and the 5 millimeters of activator, and then the pearlescent purple paint. I was about to say slime for some reason. And you'll need 4 different bowls, so you can store 1 bowl at a time, which I'm going to use this one and this spoon and this stick. So I guess let's get straight into it. So first, pour your 25 milliliters of glue, and remember to scrape down the sides because you need to get as much glue as you can, you know. And if your cups get a little messy at times because you've been using them over and over and over and over again, just clean them out. It doesn't really matter because you're going to be using them for making slime, right? Yeah. There we go. That's as much as I'm going to get out of that. Then pour in the water like you always do. Don't need to do anything to the water. So I can sit this down, I'm going to just do this real quick. Put down your spoon, but you don't have to. And then take the paint and get 1 spoonful of it. Yeah, Fidgets is my supervisor, as you can see. And 1 spoon. Oh, God. Is that about it? Okay. Remember the paint ones, guys? The paint slimes I attempted to do? They turned out a little watery, but it's okay, right? And you should have a 5th bowl to put your little dirty things in there, you know? Unless you need the slime spoon, which you're going to. And then you need to stir it till it's all mixed in, you know? Just have a good old time about it. Maybe dance while you're doing it. If you're silly, like me. That's pretty mixed in. And then you would add the... Wait, is that the right one? No. I'm forgetting which one has the activator. Okay. And then you would add the activator slowly. That just reminded me of the song Despacito. For some reason. Do you guys know the song Despacito? Because if you do, then you would probably know. Slowly. Just add it slowly. Fidgets, does it look like I'm doing good? She's like, I don't care. I got my phone with me. Cute little girl. Look at this slime. This is awesome. Go into the slime, child.
I don't think that was 5 milliliters. It didn't look like it.
No. Do you think I should do a little more?
Yeah.
Where's my activator? Sorry, guys. I can't find the activator. Is this the one I use? This one is the one I use. Just one drop?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but like 2.
Perfect. Guys, it was hard for me to look at the measurements, so that's why I had to do that. I'm sorry. Look at this. What do you think of it, my little baby girl? She's like, I don't care about slime. I just in here to watch you do it. Do you think that's pretty good?
Now pick it up and knead it.
Okay. Guys. Ow! No. Ew. Like that?
Mm-hmm. Knead it.
Okay. Can you move Fidgets away so she don't get wet with slime? There. If you're doing slime with your neonate baby, make sure, especially the older neonates, make sure you move them away. I don't think I picked up all the slime.
Just the rest.
Oh, God. Okay, guys, I'll be right back after I need. Okay, now we're back, guys. But this time I'm going to go a little bit faster. But we do exactly what we did last time, except we add the metallic silver. And 1 spoonful, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
It's in there.
Sorry, guys, I'm getting a stick. Let me just put this down. Sorry, that took longer than expected. Whoa, that's really pretty paint, isn't that? By the way, if you hear me talking to somebody, that's my mom. Because she's filming. Because why not? This is chunky paint, isn't it? And pretty paint. It looks like a swamp in there. There we go. Now like this. Oh. That was a mistake. It said, I believe I could fly, but then it didn't fly. It fell into the slime stuff, you know? It wasn't my fault. That just everything I say reminds me of a song. Because I listen to too many songs. Don't die. Oh my. That was kind of fast, wasn't that? Okay, put this over there. A little stickier than last time.
Now you're going to knead.
I'm going to knead this for a while, guys.
And be right back.
And be right back, you know. Okay, we're going to do the same thing. Well, guys, I forgot to mention earlier that it said you needed 2 to make 2 slimes, which really you need to make 4 for all the different colors, you know. But if you make 2 different slimes, you're going to have to split the slime in half and then make 2 different colors, correct?
Mm-hmm.
But this time you're going to need this color. It's this one. It's where this metallic silver was. So we're going to need a spoonful of that, which I'm going to bring over here. These are really narrow little things. Is that too much or too
Not
much?
enough.
Okay. Whoa. Better?
Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa. That's so cool. That's as much as I'm going to get from it. Most likely. Ugh. I really liked it. The floor. How about I just set you off to the side instead of... Sorry guys, I got a little paint on me. Nothing like a little paint. Why are so many songs playing in my head? Do you know why? Don't worry guys, you'll know that you'll get messy while playing with slime. We're using 20 of the, water, because it works out better for the paint, because the paint is like the other 5 ounces, right? We found out the hard way. A lot of slime. Why am I whispering it? Whisper shout. Almost poured the whole thing in there. I'm just looking at my mom. She's like making faces. Like, yeah, there we go. I'm not loco. You're loco. She thinks I'm crazy. Rude. Look at this one. It's getting hard to stir in here. It's okay if your slime doesn't look exactly like the picture, right? Okay, I think it's pretty much good to pick up, right? These slimes have been like not as sticky because my mom measures the glue and the little... Oh. You go over there. We don't need you. I'll be right back. This is the last slime, guys. One more to go. Why do everything I say reminds me of a song? I'm crazy, aren't I? Sorry. I needed this. Okay? I need it. Guys, if we do the unicorn one anytime soon, we're going to need to use the same stick over and over and over again, don't we? Because if we keep... Oh my.
That's good. Come on, keep going.
Okay, that's good.
It's getting to be long.
Yeah, this video is going to be long.
Now just put it inside your bowl. You're going to get the floor dirty.
Sorry guys, I just don't want this to explode.
She's using teal glitter.
Yes. Ah! I knew that was going to happen. I knew it. I hope my mom doesn't get mad. Oh, God, she is already. Wow, this is really glittery, isn't it, Mom? I made her mad. This is the hottest slime ever. Isn't this?
I think it's pretty.
Yeah. Whoa. Okay, now I'm gonna start. Which one did I not do yet? Okay, I couldn't tell. Whoa. This is cool. I love the part. I just realized how much I added. Please don't kill it. You can just see Fidgets in the camera, can't you? She's like, do 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 do, just playing on my phone. I don't have a care in the world. Oh, this is gonna take a while. Oh,
Did you put 25?
25?
I mean 20?
Yeah. Odd little thing, isn't it?
Keep going.
Do you think I didn't add enough activator?
Keep going.
Okay. This is cool, isn't it? Pretty cool slime. Oh, there we go. There we go. Just need a little bit more mixy. Time to knead it. I said knead it. Whoa, this is cool. This is going to take a little bit more kneading, isn't it? Be right back. Okay, guys. This one these actually didn't take long to knead. So, yeah. So now we have to put this in a stripy little thing because it actually said in the warning, it accidentally put a wrong warning. So, yeah. So, we have to take all our slime. And I'm doing it how the picture looks on the directions. Because, yeah. Whoa, that's like flarp. If you know what that is, guys. It said to put it in a stripy pattern. So, that's exactly what I'm doing. I like how slime does this, don't you? Well, my mom's not a big fan of slime. She thinks it feels icky, which us kids love it. And at her school, where she works, they're allowed to bring slime and play at it at recess. They're lucky, aren't they? Because they love that stuff. But at our school, we're not allowed to. Here we go. Now, just do this. And then it said, oh wow, that's really pretty. Oh, that one's blinding. Then it said to take the top and then swirl it, right?
Yeah.
Like this?
No.
Ah!
Pick it up.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah, pick it up.
And then,
No, keep picking it up. Get the whole thing.
oh no. This is hard, Mom.
Yeah, it is.
Oh no. I messed it up.
Well, that's okay. You did your best.
Let's just
Pick it up.
Okay. 2 hands. There we go.
That's that circular motion.
That's the best I did, guys. That's my unicorn slime.
Pick it up and play with it.
No, not my unicorn. Whoa, this is a big batch of slime, isn't it, Ma?
Mm-hmm. Stretch it so they can see it.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna get some stretching. Whoa, this is a really cool slime.
It all went into one color.
At least it's pretty cool, you know? It didn't turn exactly out like the picture, but you guys, I don't got very big hands, you know? To pick up the whole thing and then swirl it, you know? Like a cupcake icing, I'd say. So guys, I think this was a pretty good slime. So thank you guys for watching. Please click like and subscribe. And in the comments, tell me if this is one of my greater slimes. Or is it not? Well, bye-bye. And Fidget's style was pretty cool, even though she was playing on her phone the whole time. Like a little teenager, even though she's only a baby. Bye-bye.